Well, I purchased a vessel view from Mercury for the outboard. We're going to install it. It's supposed to provide a lot of good information about the engine. We open the package and it comes instructions, the actual device. Reading the instructions, you're basically looking for the purple weather cap. Okay, that's a purple weather cap. That's where the device plugs in. So the device unplugs from there, and that's that 10-pin connector. Looks like it. Yeah. The plug, it's going to plug in there. Of course, we need both hands for this. And then this device is going to be zip tied somewhere in here. We'll see how it goes. The instructions then goes on to say to pair your device by downloading the app. And that's all there is for these instructions. And you're supposed to use the hardware to secure it. Let's come up with more quick start instructions. Well, we'll have to wait till we go out in the water to test this device.